Hi, this is Mrs. Nash. I'm checking in. I was just going to go over the activity with you guys. I know it's all about farm animals today. So, my activity for this week is going to be about farm animals as well. I thought I'd start off with some WH questions and then move into the vocabulary piece as well. So, and also sentence structure. So, I'm targeting a lot this week. So bear with me. This is not as hard as it seems. I'm just going to talk through it with you guys, okay? All right, so I sent the link for the story. There was an old lady who swallowed a cow, okay? So I have two worksheets for that story. This is the one you're going to use first. So if you can print this off, that would be awesome, okay? And that way they can have it when they are listening to the story. So with this one, I know it's sideways, but I can't pull it up any other way. So it's going to look like this. Okay. So first go through and name all the animals with the child. Okay. So you're going to say, oh, look, here's the old lady. And here's a sheep. Here's a pig, rooster. Talk through each word. Okay. And then have them say each word. So that way you know that they know what each word is. Okay, so you do that before they listen to the story. Then have it in front of them. Have them choose their favorite color, only one color. Okay, they're only going to use one crayon. Remind them it's not art class, so they don't have to be like super conscious about color, every little piece a different color. Just going to use one color, color in the circle. This is a listening activity. This encourages active listening, okay? So you'll go to the story, and it's the old lady who swallowed a cow. I'm going to pull this up to full screen. Okay, and then you'll hit play.
Gave his artist his first job, JL.
I'm ahead a little bit. So it's going to me to start.
There was an old lady who swallowed a cow. I don't know why she swallowed a cow, but she did it somehow.
And then stop it, okay? And have them, if you have the book, that's awesome too. Pull out the book. You don't have to use the video. You can use the book. So with this one, pause it and say, okay, what did she swallow? And then they're probably going to say a cow, and then have them find it on their paper and color in the cow, okay? And then you'll continue. I like how this one's slow.
There was an old lady who swallowed some hay. It made her day to swallow the hay.
Okay, so you want them to get to the point where you don't have to cue them, and you can say, okay, and see if they can follow, if they go to the hay and start to color. Okay, you may have to do it a couple times with them where you're like, okay, what did she swallow? And then have them try to find the hay and then color. But you want to get them to the point where they're using their own listening skills. So when this comes up, you're going to see them look at the paper, find the hay, and color it all on their own without you having to prompt them. But you may have to start off prompting them first. Okay, so start off with that prompt and then fade it by the end of the story. Okay, so by the end, they should be able to color those in. Okay, so that's the one activity. It's just active listening. So when they hear the word, they have to color in. If you have stampers, I use stampers a lot. So if you have a stamper and they just want to use the dot stamper, they like those too. Okay, so the next one, let me pull it up. Okay, so the next sheet. Okay, so they're going to tell you what she ate. Now, this is at the end of the story, so they've already been exposed to the story and to the vocabulary. All right, so they need to say, all right, and you're going to touch with them. So you're going to say, okay, she ate the, and then they'll say cow. So they need to then say the whole sentence. She ate the cow. And she's going to say, oh, she ate the hay. She ate the horse. So they need to say the whole sentence while filling in the blank here. Okay, so the pointing method will help them. Okay, say every word in the sentence. And then at the end, they can color it. You know, it's just a fun little coloring activity. But it's for having them use grammatically correct sentences, increasing their sentence length, using irregular past tense verbs like ate, using pronouns, using the auxiliary, the in there. So targets a lot. So this one, active listening, this one, sentence structure, okay? And then I have the story attached. So the next one, let me pull it up. This is the next activity for the week. So I chose words, farm animal words that maybe they're not that familiar with. So again, pull out the Play-Doh, have them, make this little goat. All right, they don't have to so much trace that. They can if they want. Okay, have them make the goat with the Play-Doh. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect, Then talk about that it's a goat. You can talk about the parts. Then at the end, you want them to use the sentence, I can make a goat, and they can point to each word as they say it. And you'll have to model it for them first. I can make a goat. And then the next one is a rooster. I chose rooster because they more than likely will know chicken. So that's why I chose these ones. So I can make a rooster, and then I can make a sheep. Okay, using Play-Doh. So just give them the time to make the animal and then have them say the sentence, just increasing their vocabulary and sentence structure for that one. Okay, those are the activities for the week. So if you have any questions, you reach out to me. I'm still going to do the Google Meets, the Google check-ins with the kids. I really enjoy that time with them. That way I can kind of target individual goals as well at that time. But these are all just general language, but this general language is going to help them across the board. So again, if you have any questions, reach out to me anytime. And I miss you guys so much. And I hope to see you